Okay, here's another example of a crack on the door. This one feels pretty solid, so I don't have to worry about it too much. Now, if there was anything sticking up, I would want to push it down. And it's right, this crack happens to be right at the seam of this little panel. For this one, just fill it with lightweight putty. Then what you want to do is try to follow the contour of the door. I got a 6-inch putty knife now, and I'm gonna just lightly keep the blade on the door and just follow the contour of the door. Go one way and go the other. Again, this stuff doesn't dry fast, so you can just add more if you need to. Play with it. But you can see how it takes the shape of the lines, so that'll help blend it in. You can actually leave it like this, let it dry, give it another coat, and sand, and do the same procedure, and then sand it and paint it. I'm gonna try to make it look a little bit better. I'll leave it like that for now, let it dry. Like I said, sand it, give it another coat if I want to, and then paint it.